Okay guys, we are with Steve. We're in the Holley truck. We're in Bowling Green and the Corvette thing is on the left. Right? We just passed it. So we're gonna go through here.
Racetrack.
Oh, it's a Corvette racetrack?
Yeah.
So when you buy a Corvette, you get to go on that? Is that how that works?
I believe so, yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Right here, there's Corvette plant.
And that's the plant. I heard they shut down the C8 thing though, right?
For now, I think we get chips.
But we're gonna get on the road. We'll be on the road for like 10 hours, 8 hours, something like that.
It's almost 11 hours.
So we're gonna be on the road for a while. If there's anything exciting, we'll show you guys. All right guys, so I'll get you guys up to speed. We've got the Holley dually and we're towing my trailer. Right now we are in Kentucky and we're headed out. So we got the trailer all loaded up. You guys already saw the truck's in here. We're all ready to go. We're headed out to Carlisle. Got all our stuff in here, but kind of gonna vlog today and the adventure getting there and setting up and everything. And then once we get there, I'll show you guys what's up. But if there's anything cool, we'll keep filming. So we're gonna get a bite to eat right now at this brewing company, and then we'll keep going. Here's our food stop for sales. For sales brewing. Nom noms?
Num nums.
Let's check it out. Look at this thing. Steve, what'd you order?
I ordered a pretzel, and yeah, I mean, look at this thing. It's huge.
This is ridiculous. So I've never had something like this. This is the first time we're gonna get into that.
Here's a phone for comparison.
That thing is crazy.
That thing is crazy.
Definitely not small. Look at this. Steve, where'd you bring us?
I don't know. Everything is on the large scale here.
This is still questionable.
How much cheese?
Who orders a side of cheese?
Cheese.
cheese?
I got fries and she's got tacos.
And I'm that guy.
He is that guy. I want to see you shovel that down though.
I'm going for it. Ready? Oh hell no. Let's see, ready?
It's not gonna happen. Is it proof? It's good? There it is. We just entered West Virginia. We're back where the original Ram came from. So we're back here a few months later. You miss it? Steve doesn't miss it. Okay guys, so we're just at Pilot. It's probably gonna get dark here pretty soon, but we're in West Virginia, just fueling up. And like I said, today is Wednesday. Then we're gonna be setting up tomorrow for Thursday, and then the show is on Friday. But it's pretty cool around here, like a lot of cool scenery and stuff, a lot of green. Not really used to seeing all the green after being out west for a while. But yeah, trucks, you know, trailer's towing awesome. I know you guys saw me, you know, changing all the seals and going through the brakes and the bearings and all that stuff. Everything's good on the trailer, which is good. And we got the Mr. Gasket straps holding this thing steady. Like, we haven't had any issues, and we've been going across some really bumpy roads, and she's been holding solid right there. So we got our luggage and stuff, and we're on our way, boys. All right, boys, we finally made it to Pennsylvania at 11 or so. We're just getting in late at night, but we'll see you guys in the morning. All right, guys, we've made it. I think we're in what, Mechanicsburg? Mechanicsburg, headed to Carlisle. It's like 15, 20 minutes away or something like that. This is the kind of scenery we got. And this is not the good kind of scenery because it is kind of sprinkling. So hopefully it doesn't keep raining, and hopefully the rain holds off for the weekend. I don't know, it's not looking good on the forecast with that hurricane thing coming through, but we'll make the best of her. So we're gonna head over to the track and we'll see what's up. All right, boys, we're arriving. According to Steve, I don't know where I'm going.
Yep, we're here.
So here's Carlisle Chrysler Nationals, and he says it's already looking packed for a Thursday, so we'll see what this is about. Steve just ran the math, so 2,500 miles, right?
2,561 miles from your doorstep to to the fairgrounds right here in Carlisle, Pennsylvania.
Oh, your truck folded though. People are gonna be mad about that. That the Ram didn't tow it the whole way.
Well, Ram needs a little break.
Yeah, we have to give the little Eco Diesel a short break.
Upgraded the big diesel.
Soon we're gonna get the Cummins. Okay, so we're here. We're just getting set up. We're gonna take this thing out after 2,500 miles. It's stuck in here. She's coming out. We've got the truck here set up. We might change this out. I haven't decided yet because we're set up, but I did print that depending on if we want to change her out, but she's all here ready to go, boys. So if you guys end up coming out, this is where we're at. Everybody's still setting up. This is manufacturer's Midway, and we'll be at the Holley booth right here where you can see us. So Steve's taking me on a bit of a mission. There's a huge swap meet going on here. He says from all the way down there, as far as you can see, right?
Yeah, as far as you can see. All the way down there.
So yeah, all the way the heck down there, and then all the way to like pretty much the road, and all the way that way and that way. So we're gonna go see if we can find any Mopar goodies. Check out these things. They're selling full cars, you guys. 3,500 bucks for that one, 5,500 for this one. Hellcat swap. Stick it in there. I feel like these are gonna be rusted out though, no? That's not terrible. Can't really tell from there, but this thing's badass.
Old drag car, man. Old super gas.
It's even got a wheelie bar.
Yeah, it was probably fast. It had a motor.
Dodge, depend on it, it says.
Look at the motor mounts, the shock mounts they made. It's just
Backyard stuff.
backyard. I mean, they did back then, I guess. This is probably like a 80s area, maybe? 80s, 90s.
Crazy.
If you need to tune the motor, you basically push start right here, and then you can sit there and adjust the valves, bump it over.
Damn.
That's what that was for.
Look at that. Full on long block. You need an engine?
With the freaking whole carburetor hang off the side.
So that's a cross ram? From like what year or what engine?
The early 60s.
I think it's massive. Look at that. Heads, intake manifolds, blocks, cranks. Look, you guys, we can start getting our old school Ram together. Start piecing it together part by part.
D100 stuff.
Steve found something. He's pissed.
Please break that. Yeah, break some stuff, would you please? I need to pay the rent.
All kinds of stuff you'll find.
Oh, this guy's gonna let me fire it up. Target it.
The hood closes automatically too. She wants to drive.
There you go.
Let's see if this works.
Stereo?
It says got 52,000 miles. Uh-oh. I don't got no stereo.
That's at least $1,000 off.
Oh.
Knowing him, he's a mechanic. He didn't fix the radio.
No radio. We gotta have tunes. You got parking lights? Can't see if it's on or not. No interior lights. No dash lights. Flashers? Got one blinking. Look at the charges pulling down on it. Yeah, bulb's out.
Yes, it's running from inside. Did it yesterday. I almost hit the key again.
Birds like you don't want to have the lap belt, the shoulder belts.
Oh, is that the seatbelt?
Yeah, you latch them there if you don't want to use them.
That's crazy.
So you unlatch it, and then you can use these as shoulder belts.
Oh, I see.
And if you don't want to use them, you just put them up here.
And you don't have to wear any seatbelts.
Yeah. That's what this slacker, the bungee's gone bad, but see how the trim piece right here is broken.
Fury 2.
Now the only downside, this is a sedan.
Yeah.
The sedan has the post right here.
Oh, okay.
Where a coupe, a hardtop coupe would have this window and that window roll down, and there'll be no post here.
Oh, I
It's all
see.
open.
So it's considered a sedan?
Kind of, yeah. It's a post car. 2-door post. It's pretty cool. Horn?
That's the horn?
Yeah.
Is that thing?
Yeah, it's the ring.
That's so cool. We're trying to think of a next project car. What do you guys think? Look at this thing. Fury 2. Me and Steve are checking it out. It's 68. It's a big old car.
Dude, you could put like 2 dead bodies in here. No, actually, you probably could put
That's a lot, man.
2, 3, 4.
That's what I miss.
4 dead bodies. I don't know if you should be knowing that, but
That's what I miss with my Accord. I don't have a place for the dead bodies. I don't have a place for the dead bodies.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Just drive this then.
look at it. It's the original Jack
Chrysler car, it
construction.
does have a 4-body trunk.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
It does have a 4-body trunk.
Yeah.
You need to put the head, hands, and feet through a chipper because they're identifying. You need to put the head, hands, and feet through a chipper because they're identifying.
Okay. You watch too many horror shows. It's got a new tank in it. A new tank in it. It doesn't look terrible though. What about up there?
Subframe car. See, frame stops right here.
Yeah.
So you're gonna have to add a C-shaped kind of piece of metal if you can, and then you basically go around this, then you go straight across, and you connect the two together. Keeps the body from flexing.
Was a Fury 2 a desirable car?
No, it wasn't really. It's kind of an odd duck car.
71 Roadrunner.
383 big block.
We'd want to take that out though, no? I'm gonna buy the tractor. I don't want anything else.
No.
He wants 22.5 for this thing. Just got a little rust, but not terrible. Let's go see what else we can find. Sheesh. There's a dude truck. D100.
Now this, it'd be cool.
You down with this? What do you think this is? Late 60s?
Oh, this is 64, 5, 6.
No, because the 64 has the 4 headlights, remember? I think we said 66 and up has the single headlight, I think.
So this actually be like in 70s then.
Yeah, maybe.
70, 71.
It still looks pretty cool. You guys check out this little thing. It's got a Magnum in it. And then look, little turbo. Another little turbo. Stacks.
A little Dodge Polara.
This thing is so cool.
Woo-wee. A little rusty crusty.
She probably gets down. This thing is badass.
The bat wings, I call them the bat wings. Looks like it's gonna take flight.
This thing is so cool. Look at the inside.
And they added these body lines to make it look like a luggage rack. You know, it's not, it's just looks, but
That's a nice car, man.
Chrysler 300.
I don't think I've ever seen one of these in person. Check it out, guys. We got the Daytona.
I saw she was gonna bounce it.
I'm not sure I'd be bouncing.
This thing is awesome. We got a big old wang at the back.
All right, good talking to you.
So this is what's going down right now. This is Steve from Holley. I jacked his camera. What are you doing over there?
Last minute preparations.
So yeah, he wants to change out this 5.9 RT. Better put it on there straight.
Let's put a red eye on there. We just need a little bit of red.
But it's not a red eye.
Nobody knows.
Can't be a poser.
Yeah, that's true. Let's not put these stickers on.
At least you got the hellcat motor.
It's still not allowed. That's what the internet said.
No, the internet said it can't be done.
Oh yeah, that's true. Can't be done, won't run.
Yes.
Don't know what I'm doing. It might still be true though. Comment down below if we should be taking this off.
Can't go back now. 50 miles an hour going by looks good, and 50 feet away it looks great.
Perfect.
too. No, the blue behind it. That doesn't look actually bad at all.
Steve says, yay or nay?
Yeah, comment below. Yay or nay?
Let's see. It's not terrible. Like, we did it in the same font, so it's definitely period correct. But let me know what you guys think. Keep it or take it off. But we kind of committed. There's no more RT on here, so the 5.9's finally gone. Somehow we ended up in Harley. Yeah! Steve says he's got a big wad of cash that he wants to spend. We may or may not have supercharger money that we're trying to decide what to do with. We don't know if it's a 68 Ford Fury 2 or a Harley. But we might find something sooner or later. We'll see. We'll see. There's like a whole event going on in here. We'll show you outside in just a second. I can afford this one. What do you think? You approve of this one, Steve? It'll match your truck.
Hurt yourself on that though.
No, I saw the guy come in on flip-flops. All right, so we're at Gettysburg. We're just checking this place out. There's all sorts of different stuff, whole battlefields and all that stuff. So we're gonna take this little drive-through tour while it doesn't rain on us and see what it's about. Storm is coming.
Look at that coming. It's over there too.
The rain's coming. Look how fast it's moving. Okay guys, so that's gonna be it for the setup day and getting here to Carlisle. So I'm gonna keep posting as we get through the days. There wasn't too much to see today because everybody's still arriving and setting up, and it did start to rain as you guys can see. So we went out and kind of did some sightseeing a little bit, but I will be giving you guys coverage from this event. Maybe we'll check out the swap meet stuff again. We're definitely gonna be checking out different cars at the show, and I'll be giving you guys reactions to people when they see the hellcat as well. And of course, if you guys see me there, make sure you come say hello, and we'll see you guys there. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think is the best part of this show or this video. We'll see you guys on the next one.